morning mga palangga. So, meron tayong trabaho ngayon. Yung oras is 5 to 7 na. So, tuloy pa din tayo sa ating trabaho. Kahit na may mga sakit na lumalaganap. Bye-bye! I love you, sweetheart. I will. See you later. Bye-bye. Kasi kung sabihin nila na mag-lockdown or mag-close down, pag ganito na care worker ka, you still have the responsibility to look after people. Pero yung ginagawa namin sa care home, sa bahay, hindi na kami tumatanggap ng bisita. And most of our residents, pinapastay namin sila sa room nila. Kasi yung mga residents namin, sobrang matatanda na talaga sila. Their age range is 90s to 105. Magha 105 na yung pinakamatanda. Yung temperature pala ngayon is 3 degrees. So this morning, meron tayong frost. Hindi ako sure kung after sa trabaho, dadaan ba ako sa butchers. Yung butchers kasi dito malapit sa pinagtatrabahuan ko, sabi ng mga katrabaho ko, they are accepting phone calls daw. Normally, hindi naman sila nag-accept ng mga order phone calls noon kasi local butchers kasi siya. Pero dahil sa sakit, in-advise nila yung mga residents, yung mga tao na mag-order na lang through phone and then i-deliver nila. So, I'm not sure kung tatanggap ba sila ng walk-in customer. I'm pretty sure kung hindi naman tatanggap sila ng walk-in customer, meron sigurong notice. Kasi plano ko kasi, ngayong Mother's Day tomorrow, I'm not sure kung kailan ang Mother's Day sa Pilipinas. Kasi last year hindi sila sabay. Hindi same yung date. So I'm not sure kung kailan yung Mother's Day sa Pilipinas. Dito sa UK, tomorrow na. So plano ko, gagawa sana ako ng chicken pie para kay mother-in-law. Kasi si mother-in-law nakastock lang talaga sa bahay. And I'm pretty sure hindi siguro yun nagluluto, or kung nagluluto man siguro mga simple lang talaga. Ay, mga pheasant, hey, move. Tingnan nyo, move. Hey, I don't want to run over the pheasant. So ganito dito kasi countryside, may mga pheasant, sometimes merong deer, may mga rabbit, kung ano-ano na lang talaga makikita nyo sa daan. Malapit na tayo mga loves. So yun na nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, i-try natin pagluto sa biyanan. Pag gustuhan niya yung chicken pie, it sounds simple pero try natin gumawa. It sounds simple pero full of love. Pabango. Tingnan nyo, baon-baon ko yung hand sanitizer namin. Marami naman kaming hand sanitizer sa trabaho, pero napapansin ko yung hand sanitizer namin nakakadry ng kamay. And lalo na ngayon na mas madalas na akong mag hand wash. Palagi naman ako nag hand wash, pero ngayon na may sakit ng lumalaganap, parang naging 5 to 10 times more siguro na every time na lang nahahawak ako na something or magha-handle. Kahit kunting hawak lang, nagwa-wash ako ng hand or nagsasanitize ako. So anyway mga palangga, papasok muna ako and I'll see you later. Kasi yung minutes dito sa camera, 11 minutes na. Sige, bye muna. I'm finished. So, tapos na tayo sa trabaho. Uuwi na tayo. But, titingnan natin kung ano yung sitwasyon sa butchers. Kung busy, hindi na lang ako dadaan. Pero pag hindi busy, dadaan tayo. Open naman yung butchers. So, papasok muna ako sa butchers, ha. I'm a bit disappointed kasi wala silang chicken breast. Naubusan sila. So, yung binili ko, leg of lamb and sirloin steak. Right, off we go. Where's my key? Right, and so we need to turn around here. We need to turn around. We need to turn around dito. Here we go. Uwi na tayo ng bahay. Hala, yung battery ng camera ko nabiblink. So, malulubat kayo mga loves. Pagpasensya, may motorcycle na naka lulubat kayo, I will just see you sa bahay.
This is mine. This is Johnny's. Be careful now.
There you go.
Sorry.
That's your birthday present.
That's it, I can put it back.
What is in here?
Chuck that other box out actually. That's still right. What fun, isn't it?
What do you think?
It's still right. What a word.
It's a sirloin, sir. I know you like it.
What a family though.
That's what you like. You need to show them the leg of lamb.
This is the leg of the lamb.
So what are we having? Steak or the beef? Oh, the beef. The lamb.
If you have this today, we can have it tomorrow as well. You can have 2 roast dinners because there's enough.
Okay then.
And probably
So,
and then we'll probably
put that in the freezer.
Sandwiches are you having some steak and we have it?
Excuse me, that's a 2 slices.
Yeah, I'm saying you're having a slice.
You can have it all if you want.
Oh, I'm joking. What if you're not? I'm going to split it.
Yeah, it would be better because I might not want it really. Split it, sweet. Yeah, so yan yung nabili ko sa butchers. Tingnan nyo yung sirloin. Ito yung gusto ni Mr. Maraming taba-taba. That's what you like, isn't it? With a lot of fats.
What gives it taste?
No, I don't like it. I don't like when there's a lot of fats. I'm getting ready mga loves kasi pupunta tayo kay mother-in-law. Ihatid namin yung bulaklak at yung card para sa kanya. Kasi instead na pupunta kami tomorrow, ngayon na lang kasi wala naman kaming ginagawa. And bibigyan ko na rin siya ng... Ala? Ano ba yun? Charger. Bibigyan ko na lang siya ng chocolate. I'm just gonna give her a chocolate. Yung naipon kong chocolate na sana dadalhin ko siya sa Pinas. Pero yun na nga, there's a big possibility na we're not going. It's sad to say, kasi na-disappoint talaga ako kasi I'm so excited to go to the Philippines and to see my family. But then, we just have to consider the situation and we need to look after our health. And sana talaga na this will be over soon kasi masakit isipin na marami yung naapektahan, marami yung namatay, maraming nawalan ng mga mahal sa buhay, and mag-ingat lang talaga tayo, mag-ingat po tayo lahat, and patuloy tayong mag-pray para sa safety sa lahat. As in talaga ay nakakatakot yung mga pangyayari sa mundo ngayon. So, please, mag-ingat po tayo lahat. Ito yung ibibigay ko para sa kanya. I'm just gonna give her this because I got plenty of sweets here. Yeah.
Well, don't. You can't. These need eating because...
Yeah, they need eating.
That's they put me in cupboard now. So, because, well, she's got visitors in a minute, so we'll go in a little while.
Right. I know. So, ito yung ibibigay ko sa kanya.
She said she can get some, well, she wants some red cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Actually, I need some shampoo, so...
Yeah, so we're gonna get them. Yeah, okay.
Alright. So we can open a big box of chocolates anyway then.
His face is like he got green. Like, you know, it's a big smile on his face. Because look.
Whoa! Milk tray from Santa. Oh, it's all, it needs eating.
Yeah, it needs eating.
Yeah, you should have one a day, it'll be alright. What else is in there?
Shortbread. Mostly it's shortbread.
What's the bottles?
That's my
What?
sunscreen.
So you bought sunscreen?
Yes, when I did the order in Asda. But then, I won't be using that. Update nga pala sa ate ko. Yung ate ko, last update ko, nakalabas na siya. Close the door. Nakalabas na siya, pero yung bata, di ba, hindi pa siya nakalabas. Nakalabas na yung baby, pero kahit na nakalabas na yung baby, hindi pa din sila nagsasama. So, hindi muna sila nagsama sa bata kasi yung ibang anak ng ate ko, kasi yung pangatlong ate ko, meron siyang 4 na anak. So, meron siyang 3 sa bahay. So, yung 3, nahawaan niya ng chickenpox. So, nag-start din sila ng chickenpox. So, sabi or suggest ng pangalawang ate ko na alagaan ko muna yung bunso mo, then sa amin muna siya. So, hindi pa din sila nagsasama until now. But, ano naman, thanks God, yung bata, ano siya, safe, normal. So, happy ako. So, thanks God kasi kahit may maraming pagsubok, siya nandito pa din sa atin na nakagabay, diba? So, we need to be thankful every day. Naluluha ako eh. But anyway, sabi ni Mr. kanina, si mother-in-law meron siyang bisita. Kung narinig niyo siguro yun. So, maya na lang kami pupunta kay mother-in-law. Ang sabi ni mother-in-law, she need daw a red cheese. So, dadaan siguro kami sa Aldi or sa Tesco kasi kailangan din kasi ni Mr. ng shampoo. So, kukuha na namin si Biana ng red cheese. So, sulatan ko muna yung ating Mother's Day card. Ito, oh. Nakita niyo ba? Ito yung Mother's Day card natin. Oh, kailangan natin tanggalan ng presyo. 2 pounds and 50 pence. Yan. Buti na lang, napansin ko yun na may price pala. So, ito na, sinulatan ko na siya. Yan. So, ito lahat yung ibibigay natin sa kanya. Diba? Sobrang girly. Yung color pink. Ito, may pagka-pink din. And ito, sobrang pink. So, oh, it just suits her. Para sa mga nanay. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ang Mother's Day sa Pilipinas, but Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Yes, Jan? Tingnan niyo. Nawala na yung mga Topi Crisp. Ilalagay natin to sa sasakyan ni Jan. Ako, ay! How can I put this in the car? Ako yung magdadrive. Never mind. Later na lang. Kasi yung akin nandoon na sa sasakyan. You need to show the flower.
Flower.
Are you ready? So we're going to Tesco first.
The driver's not ready.
No, you need to hold that, sweetheart.
What?
Hold that.
No, just hang on. I haven't got my seatbelt on. The passenger is not ready.
The passenger is not
What
ready.
do we need?
You need a shampoo.
Oh, no shampoo. We'll get 2 shampoos.
Right, we're going to Tesco first to get a cheese.
How's your car anyway?
I like it.
Not been in it a long time. How many miles have you done?
456.
She's done 456
There's a car
miles.
there.
Whoa. Who's that?
I don't know who is that.
Me neither.
But there's a car.
Right, let's just see what. Don't go anywhere just yet. Actually, just go down to. Just go down there and let's just see who it is.
Did you lock the door?
Yeah. What's it? Yeah.
It's a learner.
It's a loony driver. Stopped in a bad place, isn't it? No, it's gone. That was
You need to be careful with it.
You know me, Mr. Careful. That's it. It's what?
It's not straight.
Right, it's straight. This is why she likes this car, because she's got a place to put a camera with
No,
a giraffe
it's not that.
lens.
Overall, I like the car. It's just
Darling,
good.
just slow the corners a little, huh? You're going to lose your camera. That pub's not open.
No.
Well, there's 2 people's there. Cars.
I don't think so. It's open.
Well, I don't know. They should take the coffee sign in, shouldn't they? What we should do is do karaoke, shouldn't we?
You can do it.
You can start.
Honey, hold my cameras.
Well, you see, it's because you're driving like a maniac.
No, I'm not. It's not in the
She
middle.
is. She's driving like a maniac, guys.
Don't believe anything he
I believe
says.
everything I would. That's it. Right. So what's your favourite song? What's your favourite song?
Oh, you're asking me. I thought you were asking
I'm
them.
not. Well, they're not going to answer me, are they?
I don't really have a favorite song.
We used to have it. Was I Wanna Marry You. I remember. Bruno Mars. That's what she did to me. She proposed. She said, John, we're getting married.
And he said, okay.
And I said,
No, I didn't.
okay, are you really sure you want this Holgate? She said, yeah. I said, I've got nothing. No gold, nothing. She said, fine, it's not the gold I want. It's your hot body, she said. It tells me anything. She's like a life coach. She just knows exactly what to say, you know. It's very dark in this picture.
It looks dark, but it's probably not dark.
Okay. Nah, I'm joking, guys. But she did.
I did not propose to you.
She did. Said, John, we're getting married.
You did propose.
I said, give me the
The
time.
proposal is just like we're in the room.
We're in the room.
We're not doing anything.
On the point of glory.
No, we're not.
What? What was that moment when I said, Danny, I can't believe how much I love you. And then you said, go down on bended knee.
Nandito na tayo sa Tesco. Si Mr. nakakuha na siya ng shampoo.
Red, lost it.
So we need to get cheese.
Go get two.
So yan na. Ready!
I'd go that way and come back round this way.
Okay.
Oh, you might be able to get, yeah, you get out that way, this little car, won't it? So, you got used to this car more now, haven't you?
I like it. I really, really, really like it.
Because it makes it easy to drive.
So we got the cheese.
We got the
Flour, we have the card,
The flour.
so we will have a brownie points for mother-in-law.
You don't need to get brownie points. She has good intentions always for you, darling.
Okay. I remember we're here. Nearly. She's probably thinking, who is that? Does she know that I have a new car?
No.
No. So she probably won't recognize us.
No. Doors open. Mother's Day present, look.
Yeah. Cheese, flour, chocolate,
Cheese.
card. We're home. Kailangan nating i-preheat yung oven. 160 lang. And yung meat and yung lamb nandito. Yan. I don't know what's the weight, pero mga nasa 1 kilo siguro yan. Nasaan yung resibo ko? I'm pretty sure nandoon yan sa resibo. Pero I think 1 kilo siya. There you go. Ito na yung lamb. That's a good piece, isn't it? No, I'm fine, thank you. Hugasan ko lang muna. So, itapat dry lang natin. Lalagyan natin siya ng oil. Rosemary. I don't have a fresh rosemary, so ito na lang yung dry. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting salt. Then, we will rub it. I just need to stab the meat.
Right.
It's better.
You don't need to stab it. Had enough stabbing when he got a knife, he had his leg cut off. Poor thing.
There you go. And it's going in the oven.
In a minute, Faye.
I'm so hungry, Han.
Have a banana. Banana. She doesn't like them. She said, no, I don't like that. Okay.
Hi, mister.
Put the empty bag in the bin. Hey, if I get that.
So, ito na lang yung potato natin. Ito oh, konti na lang. Yan na. Ubos na. So, magro-roast potato tayo ngayon. So, huhugasan ko lang sila at I will peel them off para everything is ready. What vegetable you want?
Not peas.
Not peas. Just check what do you want.
We've got cauliflower if you wanted.
Carrots.
You could do carrots if you wanted, or you could do sprouts.
Yeah, we'll have
Actually,
sprouts and carrots.
We've got a cabbage in there. I'll let cabbage with butter on it.
Okay, cabbage with butter and then sprouts. That's enough.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
So, yun yung vegetable namin. So, ito yung ano natin, yung lamb. Update. First check natin yan. Kailangan ko lang siyang i-flip over para yung ilalim, makrispy yung ilalim, diba? There you go. Yan. Ibalik natin. Ilalagay na natin yung potato. We have a very hot oil here. Ay, jeez. Kailangan ko lang silang paliguan ng oil. Lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting rosemary. Yan. And asin. Second time, i-check natin yung ating lamb. Dumudugo pa din siya. So, it means, pag in-stab mo siya, din tapos may lumabas sa dugo, hindi pa siya luto. Mr. is here! Come on now, it's ready. We just need to boil a water.
Butter for cabbage.
Ano ba yung bra ko? Ay, my bra is going
Big
here.
mushroom. Whoa.
I hope it's not dry.
This was not dry.
You see that? Mmm, num num. So, ayan. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung tea namin. Oh, diba? Masarap. Enjoy, mister.
Yeah.